Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add a Pinterest feed for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on the site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets that you can use, and one of them is Pinterest feed. So let's click sign up for free. And when you're going to sign up for free, you want to click here sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook. It's really up to you. When you will have it, now you want to click here on login. In login, you will have applications here, and you want to write here Pinterest. And you can see here Pinterest feed. Let's create a widget. Now you have option with go like boards gallery or Pinterest profile or pins gallery. Just choose which one you like. Let's start with the Pinterest profile. Let's continue with this template. Now you got profile, boards, or pins. Again, choose which one you like. And you just add here your profile. I will leave Tommy Hilfiger for now. Then you got layout. And you can play with the header settings. Board name. I would just leave it as it is. And style, you can change the follow Pinterest to something else. When you will have it, click on save. Now, you have option to choose a plan. You can start with light and then you can upgrade to better. Light is 200 views monthly. Then you can upgrade it to basic. And also you got a 14-day money back guarantee, and that's pretty good. So when you will have it, copy the link and let's embed the code right to our Weebly site. When I have it, edit the custom HTML and let's wait until it loads. Nice. Very nice. So let's give me a second. Edit. I need to test out something. Okay, save. Well, I recommend add to website, copy. I recommend when you're gonna do this, test it out how it looks like on a published site. Because in mobile it's going to work definitely, but sometimes the HTML, sometimes the HTML is bugging out on PC. So test it out if it works. And this is how you should choose the light version. And then if it's like good on published, you're good to go. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Also, I recommend check all applications here. If you like some of them, go with a $15 a month and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.